Okay, so you have to unclip it from here. This pipe comes off. So loosen this screw. A little bit more. You don't want to damage anything, to be careful. Yeah, it's come off. And this little clip here. Push the clip down and pull the cable out. Okay. This should come off now. Yeah, that's it. So the cover is off. This is the filter. Inside is everything's clean, but if it's not clean, you should just clean it a bit. This is the new filter, obviously. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. Yeah. Wait, it's not in properly. Yes, now it is. Clip back on. All clips. Comes back on. Tighten the screw again. Okay, and this cable, don't forget the cable. That's it. I think this one's damaged. It's fine, the clip is damaged, but it's okay. Just sit on here. That's it guys, the air filter is on. Yeah, hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.